follow my steps to fix Spider-Man Miles Morales crashing issue. Now, for the first method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app. After that, go to the drivers icon in the left menu and make sure to install the latest available update you'll find right here. Check for the right compatibility. After that, go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. For the second method, go to the search and type in device manager. Make sure to open this one. Next, you need to look for display adapters and open this one. Look for your graphics card. Do not select this one, which is the integrated one. Select either NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select update driver. Next, select search automatically for drivers. After that, click on close. For the second method, go to the Windows taskbar and click on this one. If you do find the Steam launcher or icon appearing right here, right click on it and select exit Steam. Next, make sure to reopen the Steam launcher. Go to the Steam icon top left corner and then make sure to check for the Steam client updates and ensure that you have the newest one. Next, go to settings. After that, go to in-game and make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. After that, go to the view option and select library. Look for your game in the left menu. Once you find it, select it and click on this gear icon, then head to properties, select installed files and click on this button right here, verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish till the end, do not interrupt it and don't panic if it starts downloading any files. Those are possibly the corrupted or missing files. To that, all you have to do is to go to the Windows icon and just restart your computer and hopefully the issue is gone. Make sure to like, subscribe and see you on the next one.